Hello and welcome to another episode of Driveway Dudes. Today we're going to replace the pollen filter in this 2015 Lexus NX300h. To access your pollen filter, to remove it, open your glove box. It's the same on both sides of the car. There's going to be a little damper here, and we want to pinch the damper with your pliers if you can get a grip on it. There you go. So we pinch this little damper off, and then to get leverage, get into the car and pinch both sides of the glove box together, and it'll lower down. Move my legs back out of the way, and you can remove the glove box or you can just leave it hang. And in here, if you can see it, is the pollen filter cover. Remove the cover and remove your old pollen filter. Careful now, there might be lots of dust and dirt. And here you go. So you can see it's very due to be changed. Get your new pollen filter and just be conscious of the airflow. So the air is going to be pointing down because it's coming from outside next to the bonnet downwards towards the blower motor. So airflow down, and in the case of this man filter Friesius Plus, you'll be able to read the writing. So you just slide it in, writing facing you, until as far as it goes. That's it. Put your door back on. That's it. Get back in. You get your damper again. Push it back in. Oops. There you have it. So that's how you change the pollen filter on a 2015 Lexus NX300h. So thanks so much for watching. Please feel free to like, share and subscribe to Driveway Dudes, and have a great day too.